I take a taxi to the airport. I take a taxi to the airport. I arrive at the airport early. I arrive at the airport early. I enter the airport terminal. I enter the airport terminal. I look for the check-in counter. I look for the check-in counter. I show my passport and ticket. I show my passport and ticket. I check in my luggage. I check in my luggage. I receive my boarding pass. I receive my boarding pass. I ask for a window seat. I ask for a window seat. I go to the security check. I go to the security check. I put my bag on the belt. I put my bag on the belt. I take off my jacket and shoes. I take off my jacket and shoes. I walk through the scanner. I walk through the scanner. I collect my bags after security. I collect my bags after security. I go to passport control. I go to passport control. I give my passport to the officer. I give my passport to the officer. I enter the departure area. I enter the departure area. I wait at the boarding gate. I wait at the boarding gate. I listen for boarding announcements. I listen for boarding announcements. I show my boarding pass. I show my boarding pass. I board the plane. I board the plane. I find my seat. I find my seat. I put my bag in the overhead locker. I put my bag in the overhead locker. I fasten my seatbelt. I fasten my seatbelt. I listen to the safety instructions. I listen to the safety instructions. I wait for the plane to take off. I wait for the plane to take off. I relax during the flight. I relax during the flight. I land at my destination. I land at my destination. I leave the plane. I leave the plane. I leave the airport. I leave the airport.